I have a Ford Focus here that needs a belt replaced. Got the pulley. You're gonna need the tensioner pulley, or I mean, you could just do it the cheap way and just grab the belt, but Ford does suggest, you know, so many miles, replace this bad boy. So we're gonna head and do that. The belt, FVP. I know most of the products that I use on my channel are from this brand. Not a sponsor. So far, really like the brand, and yeah, I buy a lot of them. So they sell about everything and lifetime warranty, and using them day in, day out, no comebacks or anything like that. So far, really good stuff. But as far as the process, I mean, it's a pretty tight fit. I was just looking at it. They say to remove this reservoir, which it's already missing a bolt, so half the job's already done there. Cool, easy money. I'm gonna get rid of this. After I lift up the bottom of the engine, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this motor mount. That way, I can get to everything nice, because the bolt for the pulley, which can't really see it without a zoom, is down there, and you can't get the bolt out. It'll come up and it'll hit that body panel right there. So we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, lift it up and hopefully get it out. Probably gonna have to remove this tire and get through the side. We'll figure it out. Let's get the car jacked up and let's get this started. So if you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe. I do no nonsense auto repair work. I'm an average guy, just like you, and I do a lot of travel videos now too. So kind of get a bunch of everything with me. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back, and let's get this going. Got the car jacked up. Gonna take off the 4 19mm lug nuts. Oh, everything on this car is so itty bitty. All right. Probably gonna have to get underneath there, under this nice slushy of a floor, and remove this little panel right here to give me better access to the bottom of the belt. Okay, 10mm. We're just gonna tip this up into the side, just get it out of our way. Get in a good habit of putting them back so you don't lose them. Now let's get this motor mount off. Now before going any further, make sure you support the bottom of the motor, which is simple. Just use like a broken 2x4, whatever you have down there. Put it on the bottom of the oil pan, like so. The transmission and everything will stay supported. Just get this off here. See how it dropped? It's supported, so you're good. That's a 15 down here. And then there's a 15 back here. Back down underneath the car, take off that plastic, which is, there's a 10mm right there. And let's find the other one. Oh, all the way up there. I might need some extensions. Look at that. that's torn. Oh, where's it at? There we go. That pretty much frees everything up. So that's the tensioner down there, which is odd because I think I got the wrong ear, because from what I read it was more up top, but doesn't matter. We'll still get it replaced. But you're gonna need to hook that right here. That's how you work the tensioner. So we'll get it from the bottom. So this is kind of funny. So I finally got one of those tensioner removal tools, or belt removal tools, and this one is different. So I'm gonna try to grab it with this. I got a really long handle for more leverage. It's a 15, and we're gonna crank it towards the back of the car. See if I get some more leverage on it. There we go. See, it's easier to pull it off a normal pulley. Oh, I just gotta find one that just slides right off and doesn't grip like this one up here. All right, you guys are. All right, so how I had to do it was I had to stand up, push down on the wrench, and then move it off a smooth pulley like this with a massive screwdriver. I mean, usually I would just cut them off, but you guys yelled at me pretty good last time I cut them off, so I'm gonna not do that. Jeez, I've never had a felt beyond there like that. Jesus. All right, so that's off. Now we gotta lower everything and get that pulley off down there. So I got it all taken care of. What I had to do is take it off the idler pulley and then crank that tensioner down. I broke my stand, so sorry guys. This is gonna suck. I got a whole day of filming, and this stand I have is like, it's got like 2-inch legs on it. It just falls over as soon as you blow on it. So I'm gonna need 2 hands to put this motor mount back, because again, there's no flat surfaces on the car to put that on. All right, just for sake of aggravation, you're going on my head. I got this in, and it's not gonna really line up because we have to raise the motor back up to where it belongs. I mean, you don't have to get too crazy with it, because once you start lining all this stuff back up, it'll lift the motor back to where it belongs. It's happy. You're hopefully happy. I guess it was a really easy job. Just, man, belts sometimes are really, that's not it. Yeah, sometimes belts are just really frustrating. Now we got the really rusty one, goes down here in the corner. And this one with the little peg or stud. There we go. I said anytime you have resistance, just jack it up the motor a little bit higher. And then, last but not least, the one hidden back here. All right. So like I said, the first 3 are 15s. We'll just take them in a little at a time. You're gonna see everything start to move and shift. Whew. Blow out your freaking eardrums. Now here's where you start seeing everything go back. All right, that's it. Now when we remove this, everybody's happy. Everything goes back to where it belongs. The belt's done. Now let's put back this panel right here, which is just this 2 10mm bolts. Last step, put this in over that stud, then lock that in. Since I see this side's cracked, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one over here. Unless there was a reason why they didn't use it. Okay, here it's in there sturdy, but yeah, it's plastic, so you don't have to crank it in there too tight. But anyways, that's how you replace the belt. Like I said, if you're gonna do it right. Replace that pulley. I mean, I didn't show you the new sound, but this one, it's making some noise. It's very, very loose. So there's really no resistance anymore, but it's original, faux Moco. So it was time, it was due. So new pulley, new belt. Hope this video helped. If it did, like, subscribe, and see you guys next time.